Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off TalkBack menu navigation option for landmarks in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. Where to look for TalkBack's options. First, settings. In settings we are looking for accessibility options menu. Next, TalkBack, then settings, then customize menus, and then the first option at the top, customize TalkBack menu. Then we need to go to the navigation portion and tap edit navigation options. Next we are looking for landmarks. As you can see, it's on. And what does this option do? Jump between landmarks on web pages like main and navigation. So to turn this option off, we simply uncheck this box and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.